A major stretch of Hosur Road has collapsed, creating massive traffic chaos and serious safety concern for daily commuters in Bengaluru's industrial corridor. A 100-meter section of National Highway 44 near Chandapur caved in, leading to miles-long traffic jams and vehicles being stuck for hours. The road, which normally has multiple lanes, has now been reduced to just two narrow lines, making travel extremely slow and stressful. Commuters say that a journey of just 12 kilometers between Bommasandra and Attibele now takes hours. City buses, office vehicles, and private transport have all been affected. People traveling to industrial areas and technology parks are facing daily delays and safety risks. According to officials, the collapse happened due to continuous excavation work, heavy truck movement, vibrations from construction, and loosening of soil. The area experiences round-the-clock heavy traffic, especially industrial transport vehicles, which increased pressure on the weakened road structure. The National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, has identified 4 accident black spots on this NH 44 stretch. Work is ongoing in these areas to improve safety. NHAI is spending around 175 crore rupees on building underpasses and widening the highway along the Karnataka stretch of NH44. At the same location, the Rail Infrastructure Development Company of Karnataka is also constructing a railway overbridge to expand the road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. After the collapse, the contractor has been instructed to immediately start backfilling and repair work to prevent further cave-ins. However, local residents and commuters say the problem is much bigger than just one collapse. They complain about deep potholes, missing street lights, broken roads, and poor drainage, making the entire industrial hub unsafe, especially at night during rain. Poor lighting and water-filled potholes increase the risk of skidding and accidents. Industrial leaders and residents have raised concern about confusion over responsibility. The road was earlier under KIADB, but it has now been handed over to the Public Works Department, PWD, and declared a state highway, creating delays in decision-making and action. A 10 crore rupees repair tender has already been approved and work orders are expected soon. However, repairs will begin only after underground works by the Karnataka Urban Water Supply and Drainage Board are completed, which may take around 3 months. Officials say the full repair work will take about 5 months to finish. Industry leaders have also raised their voices, warning that poor infrastructure is affecting workers' safety, productivity, and daily life for thousands of employees who commute to this area. Residents are now demanding faster repairs, better coordination between departments, proper lighting, and long-term safety planning, saying temporary fixes will not solve Bengaluru's growing infrastructure crisis. This collapse is no longer just a road issue, it has become a public safety, governance, and urban planning crisis for one of Bengaluru's most important industrial corridors.